Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Apple is planning to introduce their next iPhone 12 series in the month of October, and to be precise, they are going to be launching their next iPhone 12 series on October 13 as per many of the leakster. It's being rumored that we might see 4 different devices of iPhone 12 series this year, and one of the devices is going to be the budget level iPhone, and that is going to be the iPhone 12 mini. In this video, we are going to talk about that particular device and let you know what everything we know so far about the device. So before going into the video, if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. So first thing first, since this is going to be a budget level device, so we are expecting what is going to be the price of iPhone 12 mini. So basically the leaks which are coming from different sources confirms that the upcoming iPhone 12 mini series is going to be coming in different variants, and the base variant is coming with a 64 gigs of internal storage, and $649 is going to be the expected price of iPhone 12 mini series. So this is going to be a little bit on the higher side as compared to those devices which are coming with a decent kind of a storage option inside with a similar kind of a price tag. But anyhow, we are expecting the 5G variant of the iPhone 12 mini as well. So this cost is going to be justified. Maybe we might see another variant of iPhone 12 mini series which doesn't come with the 5G support, and also its price might be lower than the 5G variant. Moving on towards the design of the upcoming iPhone 12 mini series, it is expected that we might see a similar kind of a design which we have already seen in the Apple iPhone 4, and it is expected that the iPhone 12 mini should sport the same retro design as the rest of the Apple lineup. Basically, its front panel is going to be pretty much similar to iPhone 11. It will have a notch just we have seen in the iPhone 11 series, and the front is going to be coming with a 5.4 inch of OLED panel on iPhone 12, and it's going to be a 4.7 inch of LCD screen, which is going to be different than the 4.7 inch of LCD screen on the iPhone SE in more compact chassis. Next thing is going to be the cameras. Well, we wouldn't expect huge upgrades on cameras front, at least in terms of specs. The 5.4 inch iPhone 12 mini is set to features the same 12 megapixel main rear camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. However, the lenses are supposedly improved. We also anticipate Apple introducing a new conceptual photography features and finding a way to improve its night mode. Internally, the iPhone 12 might be coming with an A14 Bionic processor inside according to most of the leaks, and that should power the iPhone 12 models. And this chip, based on leaked benchmark for the iPad Air, should blow away all Android phones. It is expected that we might see a 4 gigs of RAM in the iPhone 12 mini series, which I personally think will be well optimized alongside with its processor, which is based on 5nm, and with the Apple software battery capacity of 2227 mAh, which is smaller than the battery in the iPhone 11, which was 3130 mAh. However, it's worth keep in mind that this iPhone 12 has smaller 5.4 inch display, and that the A14 Bionic chip is designed to be more efficient than last year A13 Bionic. So generally speaking, the iPhone 12 mini has potential to be the big hit, assuming the price is as aggressive as the rumors, and the shopper could flock to the small phone. The appeal of the iPhone 12 mini is that it will be reportedly cram all of the most important upgrades over the iPhone 11, including a 5G and OLED display, a faster A14 Bionic chip in design that can easily slip into your pocket, and those who want a bigger screen or more advanced features like the telephoto cameras or LiDAR sensor will gravitate towards the iPhone 12 Pro or iPhone 12 Pro Max. But the iPhone 12 mini could make smaller phones cool again, and it is going to be a good strategy from Apple because it will be bought by many of the users who don't have the budget to buy the higher end variants and still want to get the experience of performance in the Apple devices. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the upcoming iPhone 12 mini series in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.